Let us see exercise 9.5, question number 4. Simplify. The first question is a square minus b square whole square. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. So value of a is a square, value of b is b square. This value we are going to substitute in the expansion. A means we have to substitute a square. Then already there is a square in the expansion. Minus 2a square b square plus the b value is b square. Again there is a square in the expansion. So a power 2 2's are 4. A power 4 minus 2 a power 2 b power 2 plus b power 4. Let us see second question. So in this question there is a 2 brackets. So we have to use 2 identities, and also there is a minus in between the 2 expressions. So for this we can write it is in the form of a plus b whole square minus, and it is in the form of a minus b whole square. Now let us write expansion of this, but before that let's write the a and b value. See, value of a is 2x, then value of b is 5. Even here also value of a is 2x, value of b is 5. So let us substitute the values in this expansion. First write expansion of a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square minus, then expansion of second identity is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now let us substitute the values here. A square, that is 2x whole square plus 2x into 5 plus 5 square minus, again let's start the next expression is 2x whole square plus 2 minus 2x into 5 plus 5 square. Let us simplify this bracket. 2 2's are 4x square plus 2 2's are 4, 4 5's are 20x plus 5 5's are 25 minus, again let us simplify this. 2 2's are 4x square minus 20x plus 25. So here there is a bracket. This bracket is common for all the terms within the bracket. So when I remove the bracket, so all the sign will turn into opposites. So let us write the first term as it is. It is the first term. Now I am going to remove the bracket. So it become a minus 4x square, minus into minus plus 20x, minus into plus is minus 25. Now let us simplify. See, plus 4x square minus 4x square. This both term will become a 0. Then plus 25 minus 25 will become a 0. Then the remaining is 20x plus 20x. So answer is 40x. Let's see the second question. The second question also there is 2 expression is given within the bracket. The first expression is in the form of a minus b whole square identity. Then the second expression is in the form of a plus b whole square identity. So in between these 2 expressions there is a plus symbol. Now let us substitute the a and b values in the expansion of first and second identity. Here the value of a is 7m. Value of b is 8n. Even here also value of a is 7m. Value of b is 8n. So let us substitute this value now. A minus b whole square expansion is a square minus 2ab plus b square plus a plus b expansion is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a value is 7m whole square minus 2 7m into 8n plus 8n whole square plus 7m whole square plus 2 7m into 8n plus 8n whole square. 7 7s are 49 m square minus 2 into 7 into 8 mn is 112 mn plus 8 8s are 64. So if you expand everything, so you will get the answer. Then let us simplify again. 49 m square, again 49 m square, both are like terms. So if we add, we get 98 m square. Then minus 112 plus 112 will become a 0. Then 64 n square plus 64 n square is 128 n square. Let's see fourth question. 4m plus 5n whole square, 5m plus 4n whole square. So this both are in the form of a plus b whole square. But here the value of a is 4m, value of b is 5n. But here the value of a is 5m, the value of b is 4n. Okay, you have to notice this. Here the a, b values are differ. So let's substitute this a, b value expansion of this identity, and for this we can substitute this a, b values. So expansion of a plus b is, so these are the expansion. So here a value is 4m whole square plus 2 4m, b value is 5n plus 5n whole square, plus for this expansion we have to substitute a value is 5m whole square plus, okay, after I substituted the a, b value in the expansion, let us simplify. 4 4s are 16, m into m is m square plus 2 4s are 8, 8 5s are 40 mn plus 5 5s are 25 n square. Then let us gather the like terms. 16 m square, 25 m square. So answer is 41 m square, 40 mn, 40 mn plus 80 mn, then 25 n square, 16 n square is 41 n square. Now let's see fifth question. So this question is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, we can do the sum in two methods. Actually, like the same question, it's question number 2. So it's question number 2 we have done already. We have taken a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. We have used two identities, but we can use a square minus b square identity also to simplify the second question. So for this question I am going to use a square minus b square identity, or else you can use a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Two identities also can be used. So here the value of a is 2.5p minus 1.5q, and the value of b is 1.5 minus 2.5q. So now a value I have substituted plus b value. Again in another bracket, a value is minus b value. Let us rewrite this again. So when we remove the bracket, the minus will be changed to minus 1.5p. It's a plus, right? Plus 1.5. So plus into minus is minus, minus into minus plus 2.5q. Let us simplify the first bracket. 2.5p plus 1.5p. We add, we get 4p. Again minus 1.5q minus 2.5q will be minus 4q. Okay, let's move to the second bracket. 2.5p minus 1.5p. So answer will be 1p. Then 1.5q minus 1.5 plus 2.5. So minus 1q. Okay, here the greater number is 2.5. So plus 1q. So now let us multiply 4p into 1p p plus 1q is p plus q minus 4q with p plus q. 1 into p is p, 1 into q is q. Now let us multiply it again. 4 into p square plus 4pq minus 4pq minus 4q square. Again 4p square. So plus p 4pq minus 4pq will become a 0. Finally we get 4q square. For the sixth question, this first expression is in the form of a plus b whole square. This is the last term. We don't want to use any identities for this. So here a value is ab, b value is bc. So first we will expand this a square. So all the ab values are substituted. Then the last term is minus 2ab square c. So a square b square plus 2 a, b into b is b square and c plus b square c square minus 2 a b square c. Here plus 2 and minus 2 a b square c like terms, and one is in plus, another one is in minus. So this both term will become a 0, remaining a square b square plus b square c square. We can rewrite it as ab whole square plus bc whole square also. It is the last question. Seventh one, m square minus n square m whole square. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square. Here the value of a is m square. Then the value of b is n square m. So let's write this expansion as a square minus 2ab plus b square. M square again whole square minus 2 m square. Then b value is n square m. Again b value is n square m whole square. So m power 2 again power of 2 is m power 4 minus 2 m power 2 again m power 1. So m power 3 then n power 2 plus n power 2 again power of 2 is n power 4, m power of 2 is m power 2. Then there is a term which we left out. That term we can add now. 2m power 3 n power 2 plus 2m power 3 n power 2. Now let us simplify it. Plus m power 3 n power 2 minus m power 3 n power 2. Like terms, and both terms will become a 0. So remaining is m power 4 plus n power 4 n power 2.